Hi guys, so today we're going to be covering the part 2 of Dr. Ikenna's story, the US doctor that passed. So where did we stop at part 1? Oh yes, remember, we stated that any decision the court takes must be to the interest of the children. So on this note, the court granted the mother the custody of the 2 children and asked Dr. Ikenna to pay for child support. And again, remember that one of the child had a severe need. I know there were a lot of controversies around his death and child support, but before that, you may want to ask, what is child support in United States of America? Well, child support is a legal duty required by a non-custodian parent to provide financial assistance to help to cover the cost of raising their child. The intention is simply to ensure that the child receives adequate financial support from both parents, even when they are not living together. I would like you to know that child support is not gender-based. Yes, you heard me right. It is not gender-based. The truth is, as long as the child is not living with you, you will pay child support. So if it's the father that the child is living with, the mother will pay child support. If it's the mother, the father will pay child support. So it's just vice versa. This is solely to meet the child's basic needs. So see the case of Britney Spears and Kevin Federline. She was the one who was asked to pay $35,000 per month to her ex-husband, Kevin Federline, for the support of their 2 children. How about Kelly Clarkson and Brandon Blackstock? Singer Kelly Clarkson was also asked to pay her ex-husband Brandon $45,601 per month for child support. As if that was not enough, she was asked to pay him $115,000 each month for spouse support. See also Halle Berry and Gabriel Oddbury. Berry paid Gabriel $16,000 per month for child support for their daughter Nayla. I know that anytime we hear child support, women comes to mind, right? And this is simply because many a times it is women that are in custody of their child or children. And again, it's simply because no court will give legal order. Say imagine a breastfeeding child or a 1-year-old child to live with the dad, especially when the mom is capable of taking care of the child. The only condition that will make the court grant legal order to a father is only when the woman is involved in all of those things we mentioned in part 1 of the videos. So for the court, it is not about gender. It is not about whether it is the mother or the father. No, it's about responsibilities, it's about earnings, it's about meeting the child's needs. I know some of you might be thinking, once the court makes order, I'll be rich, especially for some women. But the thing is, no court will ask a man to pay more than his financial capability or capacity. And why the legal system in Western world is so good is that everything is on record, everything is documented. So the amount you pay for child support will also be dependent on how much you earn. The aim is not to extort a man or a woman, and the good thing is it can be reviewed at any time. And what this means is that it can be increased or decreased based on your financial circumstances. So for the case of Dr. Ikenna's, his license was already revoked, and this means he didn't have a job. And rumors had it that he was asked to pay $15,000 per month for child support for his 2 children. Imagine a man without a job. How is he able to pay $15,000 per month for child support? Where is he going to get it from? But record had it that he was meant to pay way below $15,000 per month. That was speculated everywhere. So on this fateful day, Dr. Ikenna was said to have drove his car to his estranged wife residence with his GUN and held them for 3 good hours. Although Suzette's father claims his intention was to eliminate all of them and end his own life, but as God will have it, he didn't do that for some reason. But his nanny was able to call 911.
911, what's your emergency?
And unfortunately, when they arrived and he saw that the police was on him, that was when he did the unimaginable. And this happened January 26th. So this is a very sad story and a very big loss. It's a big loss to his family members. It's a big loss to his children who's got memories of him. It's a big loss to his friends. It's a big loss to his medical community and a big loss to the world at large. I just keep thinking, what could make a young man with great future ahead of him decide to just end it all? Guys, do you think or do you believe it was because of child support? It was a case of mental health issues or frustration of no job, his license already seized, and this career that he has suffered for and labored for years, everything just went down the drain? Or do you think he was scared of his actions after holding his family down for 3 hours? Do you think it was all as a result of loss of access to his children and family generally? Also, what do you think about child support and who takes custody of the child? Do you think child support favors women most, especially in the Western world? Please share all your thoughts down in the comment section. Please like this video and share it. And if you have been watching me and you have not subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Please hit the subscribe button now and remember to turn your notification button on so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to see it. My next video, I'll see you there. Bye bye.